How to buy and connect domain on Hostinger. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect or buy domain on Hostinger. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit hostinger.com. Then you have to log into Hostinger as I am doing here right now. And from there, here you'll see the home button right here. Then here you can just have to search up for your desired domain name. For example, I'm gonna search something like Wadi Hustlers, and then you have to search it up, and then you'll get plenty of domains right here. You just have to tap on to buy now. For example, this one, tap on to buy now, and then to tap on to choose payment method. And after clicking on to payment method, you have to enter the payment details informations. For example, you can use your Visa card, MasterCard, your Google Pay, your Apple Pay, or you can also use PayPal. There are other options available, for example, Alipay, or you can use cryptocurrency for it. You just have to choose up for it and you have to pay with your cryptocurrency or any other payment methods. And after buying the domain, so this is how you can buy domains, and then you have to head over to this domain section, and then you can just get to your domain portfolio and you can check your domain. So as I don't have any domain right now, so it is not showing up here, but if you buy one, then it will show it to you right here. So that's it. This is how you can buy a domain. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.